staying at the Terranea Resort in Palos Verdes, Los Angeles County. We are staying in a 1-bedroom suite in room 3128, 28, my number. And I just wanted to give you a room tour and show you what the room is like. On first impressions, we really like the room. It's modern, it's spacious, airy, and we've got a fantastic view. So let's just get started. You come in, you walk into the room. Oh, I actually haven't explored this closet. Oh, I had no idea. This is a half bath. I actually had no idea this was here. So we have a half bath, a sink, and then a toilet. And so that's the first thing on your left. Then we have a small closet here. Oh, so it looks like there's an iron, hangers, and a refrigerator. So it's actually a refrigerator where you can store your food and drinks. A lot of hotels just have mini bars, chargeable mini bars. But this one has a mini bar and a fridge, so thumbs up there. As we come through here, we have a TV. We have a happy birthday sign for the birthday boy. They kindly left a banner and some treats, which we gobbled down very quickly. So over here, we have a small wine bar. There's lots of wine here. Free waters, which is a bonus. We don't really get free waters these days in hotels. And then we have spirits and wine glasses on this side, and again more spirits on this side. In this we have some tonic water, sparkling wines, club sodas. So that's cool, I've not seen that before. We have a food menu, room service, and then an in-room cellar. So this is basically how much these things cost. So a red wine, silver oak cabernet, $150. We come over here, we have this nice sitting area. I like the decor actually, I like the colors. I think it's very California coastal. It's got the blues, it's got the leather, modern California coastal perhaps. And then we have a desk area if you want to do work. Maybe we should be doing work and not. And then we have Miss Kris Jenner in this magazine. We have 3 magazines they've given, a phone. So, nice space.
What's in the bag?
Oh, and they also gave us a little present for the birthday boy. The concierge are really nice, by the way, here. We'll be giving our full thoughts in a different video. So if you want to know our full thoughts on this entire resort, please tune into that video. They gave us caps. So, I think it's big, but maybe I'll just make it tighter. I don't know. What do you think?
Comment down below.
We have a balcony here, but I don't want to show you the view. Maybe you can't see it through there yet.
No,
we have 2 balconies, which is really nice. We come through here. We have bedrooms. These 2 unfortunately don't come with the room, but if you do want them, just feel free to let us know your babysitting rates. I'm just joking. So this is a huge bedroom. Again, a nice sitting area. This bed, let me check. Oh yeah. Yeah. We're gonna have lots of comfortable seats here. We're here for 2 nights, by the way. And then a futon. Yeah, so this is a really big room. We have a chest of drawers over here. 2 for storage. Lots of storage. And then if you come through here, we've got a hallway which leads to the master bathroom. So this is a full bathroom if you come through here. We have a large bathtub. Oh, this is cool. So these are usually used for if you want to put a candle, a book, an iPad. You can put your whatever on it and then just lay and relax in the bath. I thought that was cool. A dual vanity. It looks like the countertop is a granite. And then we have the toilet in here. We don't need to really show the toilet. And a shower. And then they've also provided products which seem nice. And then coming into here, we have a closet. Oh, I forgot to mention that they provide bathrobes and slippers. So we have a large closet here, enough hangers. We have luggage holders and a safe for your personal belongings, and an extra blanket up there. Now for the grand reveal, we have 2 balconies I've mentioned, and I'd like to show you the balcony. And the best part, we have a view of the Pacific Ocean. And apparently it's dolphin and whale season, so hopefully we'll be able to spot some whales and dolphins. Oh, the concierge did say if you want to borrow binoculars that we're welcome to go ahead and whale watch from here. And that concludes our room tour of the 1-bedroom suite at the Terranea Resort. We will be creating another video which provides a full review of the entire resort, so please stay tuned for that. That will be coming next. And if you want to see more room tours, feel free to like this video.